A major car maker buys stake in a WA miner, why a healthcare stock is going gangbusters, and which social media company has had an AI fail. Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grapher. We start with a story that got investors' hearts racing today. European car maker Stellantis, the one behind some pretty big names like Maserati, Jeep, Peugeot and Chrysler, has bought a stake in WA nickel miner Alliance Nickel. Stellantis bought an 11% stake in Alliance Nickel, which produces nickel and cobalt for EV batteries. The move will guarantee Stellantis over 170,000 tonnes of nickel and 12,000 tonnes of cobalt from Alliance's Nye West project over the next 5 years. Alliance managing director said the tie-up would be transformative for the company. It certainly was transformative for Alliance shares, up 26% on the day. Energy was the best performing sector on the ASX today. Origin shares rose after it reported higher than expected earnings. Santos and AGL were also among the best performers. In other news, BP has agreed to buy Shell's 27% stake in the Browse LNG project off WA. The UK resources giant will become the biggest shareholder in the project, which is Australia's largest untapped gas resource. Still to come, why this social media company's shares have tanked, and the healthcare stock that's taking the market by storm today. Stay tuned. Grapher's dark horse of the day is Chalice Mining. The nickel, cobalt and gold miners' shares are up 8.5% over the last 30 days. Better than expected exploration results at its Julimar project in WA had investors drooling when they were announced last week. Aussie house prices are also bouncing back up according to new data out today. Nationally, prices rose about 0.5% in April, but remember, the nation's house prices have slumped almost 10% since the RBA started hiking interest rates. So, what's happening at Snapchat? Well, Snapchat's rushed AI rollout has had some truly horrific results. Snapchat's AI not only lied to users but also presented blatantly false assertions. The AI fail, combined with falling revenues, prompted investors to dump the stock. Shares crashed upwards of 17%. And a blockbuster bonanza for ResMed. Shares of the sleep technology company have surged to an 18-month high. ResMed said revenue increased nearly 30% last quarter. These guys are literally making money while you sleep. You can find more business news content on thewest.com.au, or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Colin Ebsworth. We'll see you next time.